Okay, so Call of Duty Black Ops 6 just got released and you're looking right now how you can change your name and how you can change your clan tag. So first of all, we want to change our clan tag. To change the clan tag, you can just go to the top right here, click on your name, on your profile, and go down here to edit clan tag. Then you can type in up to 5 characters, for example, test, then go back, and as you can see, you have already edit your clan tag right now. To change your in-game name and your Activision name, go to account and network, the last option, and then we have several menus. We want to stay on the first one on online, and the second option is our option right now, so the Activision account. On Activision account, you first see your Activision ID. Right here you can copy the ID and the name to your clipboard, and down here you can change your display name. There is one specialty about your changes, so click on it and now you can see the terms. So what my current name is this one, and down here it says tokens remaining 2. So after I changed my display name 2 times, I have to wait 6 months to change it again. So you earn 1 rename token every 6 months. I can type in my new name, click apply, and then 1 token is gone for the moment. After 6 months, I get another token, and then I can change it every 6 months again. So click on confirm and the game has to restart then. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have problems to hear steps in Warzone, click on this video right now and it will get fixed in a few seconds.